Okay, so we're here at the back of the resaw. We have a small 12-inch saw, and this machine, we took a 2x4 piece of Western Red Cedar clear, and we resawed it in half. And what we produced is a nice, finely sawn, finished piece.
You see, I really like that, and in actual fact, in many of our own jobs, we've specified this kind of finish, and that texture is just dreamy.
Yeah, do you know, it works really well if the building's really simple and quite kind of square, and then suddenly you introduce this very rustic, natural element. It just gives it a kind of fabulous kind of quality that makes it totally escapist.
And if you're using a solid color stain, it really does a good job of accentuating the grain when you use a rough pattern like that.
The grain really is, I think, what is bringing this to life. Grain's important, full stop. In this kind of application, when you can see it cut there like that, it's just amazing.
Wow, so what would happen to this to now turn it into a piece of siding?
That's right, so in this particular case, we're going to be adding a tongue and groove to this and squaring it up so it'll fit together, and you'll see a nice rough, it'll have a consistent rough finish on the outside of the home.
So next stage, edging, trimming.
Next stage, we're going to run it right through the molder. So yeah, we went through the whole process. We started the rough lumber, we sorted it, we dried it, we went through the resaw, and then we produced our finished product, which matches the old product from the barn, and we learned a little bit about siding along the way.
Yeah, I mean, we've always been really big fans of Western Red Cedar, and we really consider it to be the Cadillac or the Rolls Royce of the whole timber family. To see it change and to see the whole process that it goes through, I feel all the more empowered to deliver big information to all our clients.
Yeah, we're incredibly proud of what we do here. And,
so you should be.
And we keep our heads held high at the end of the day. And in this day and age, when energy is such a huge concern of everyone, you saw there was some energy, but most of the energy that we put into the product is human energy.
For sure.
There isn't a lot of electricity wasted. There isn't a lot of fossil fuel being burned. And really, a lot of people are involved in it, and there's a lot of value added through people.
Of course, I mean, knowledge is power, and I just feel that today has been a great opportunity for us to learn so much more. To see this piece of wood recreated so perfectly like this, which gives us as specifiers the chance to allow people's dreams to come alive. When they find something they love and they want to recreate it, you can do it.
Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah.